Okay, check out this buck. That's him. Oh yeah, that's him right there. That's the one I want. That is the one I want. Okay, so I'm walking down to the tree stand, and the buck and the doe are already down here waiting for me. They're on the other side of that tree line. I guess I'm not going to be able to sneak up against them. Maybe they'll come back. See there? Look at him. He's chasing her. Oh yeah. Look at that. He's just running after her. So cute. Get up in this tree stand. There they are. Oh yeah, and there he goes.
Deer are so perceptive. Even if you're on the other side of a hedge, they're going to notice you from a long way off. Hopefully this couple will come back.
I jumped those two deer. Hopefully they'll come back. They're just in the woods directly that way, and this is their water source right here. So you know, that buck is following that doe wherever she goes, so if she comes back over here, he is sure to follow. We've got a black panther right behind that tree. It's coming in closer. Oh yeah. That's massive. He sees me. There's just a buck that blew like 5 or 6 times in the woods over there. There's no way he could have been blowing at me. It's too far away. There he goes. Well, come on out, show yourself. She's getting a little closer, but there's still no sign of a buck. I take that back. The buck just came out of the woods. He's 200 yards away, but he's massive even from here. Yeah, he's about 100 yards out, maybe 120.
This is on 4x speed. Just shows you the buck that has been chasing this doe all afternoon, around in circles. She's just not ready for him yet. But they are making their way down toward me.
The doe and the buck have gotten closer. They're about 50 yards out. There's a deer right behind those trees right there. Just a doe so far. Fuck, he sees me already though. I think. Hey. Hey. Oh, dang it. That was a miss. It looks about 45 yards, 50 yards out. I thought I aimed high enough. I saw it sink right under him. Maybe he'll come back. I think I still see him over there. That was a massive buck.
Looking at this again, I was clearly not thinking about where to shoot the deer and the distance that he was from me. That is something you must do when any type of bow hunting. And as you can see, I missed low just a few inches under his heart. A little bit higher, it would have been the perfect shot.
I can still see the red dot from the arrow. I think that's probably 50 yards. There's still a little bit of daylight left out here, so I'm gonna stay up in the tree stand to see if those deer come back. That is the third time I've seen that couple today. So, all right, I'm down on the ground. There's still a deer over there. The doe's over there. The buck is probably right in the woods over there, but it's just too dark. Let's go pick up this other arrow over here. That's about 38 yards. I'm out here really early today. Doesn't really matter during rut. They're out here all the time. But yeah, I'm just concerned it might be a little bit too late. This is probably the last day I'm going to be hunting this buck this season. I got to go out of town tomorrow, and by the time I get back, rut will definitely be over. Hopefully it's still in rut and he is still moving around. I haven't seen him for a couple days now. I might come back at this stand later, get a doe at the end of the season if I need meat. But right now, I'm still hunting that 8-point. Disappointed in my mistakes I made the other day, shooting too low, and then I moved. After that, I should have settled down. He would have settled down, and he moved out of the way too. And I just made 2 mistakes there. You don't get chances like that, much in your lifetime. So when you do, you got to be ready and prepared. And yeah, lesson learned.